everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to replacing time chain in BMW F20 engine 2014 model. N12 is the same also. The faulty code is 130 F20. Exhaust crankshaft angle deviation with respect to crankshaft outside tolerance. Even though this car is driven 150 km, that they have a problem with stretching time chain or broken tensioner.
So I will take out this one, I think so. Was the cam sensor exhaust in the intake. Remove this one.
You don't need to talk.
Really, I think so. I have to. The remote of detection. One.
And F20 F13 also is the same.
N13, N18 it is the same. F20 also it is the same. This is my car is to F20. This one is for this one, and one is here for the friction for water pump. See for it organize everything. Yeah, stop. With this one. Tensioner pulley. Do like that. And this bit. Yeah, come here. Remove it this one only. One side. Yeah, just leave it like that. Harmonic balancer, they have 3 bolts. I have to remove it this one. This, you see? Rotate clockwise, this way. Rotate the engine, and the car must be lifted up. This tools from here. I have to lock it, the crankshaft first. Rotate it. Look now. You do like that, okay? And the other one. The top is for locking. I will show you. I hope you see this hole? This hole, yeah. In this hole. In this hole. You see this one? You see this tools? Must be insert all and try to push it also with screwdriver or something, push it like that. It is now is lock. Come tools, come here. You see flash now, everything is flash. And this one, you see this one is not yet flash, but I have to trick. And what we will do, when it's 7mm, hold here and rotate a little bit. Rotate this way a little bit until go insert properly. This one, you see this one? Come here. Yeah. Touch a little bit. You see? Now it's flash everything. Here is flash. It's flash. Just screw with this one and also this one. Here. Here you go. This writing is upward. This writing also it is up. You see this one also very flash, must be flash. This one, you look, everything is flash. Also this way is flash, everything. Everything is perfect now. So 18mm. I wish that. Wait. Damn. I'm lucky it does not fall down in there. Just wait a little bit. Because I don't have special tools to hold the cam. This one. Okay, stop now. Only this one. Okay. Okay. And lift it up. All should be come together, all like that. And slowly. Damn, look what. And we return back, we shoot the same way. this one exhaust intake IN. This one intake. Read the intake side. Hold like that. Look what now I'm tied it the tensioner 80 Newton. You see this one is new tensioner and the old one is where it's broken in pieces. You see where is it? This one, you see it is broken in pieces. Okay, now I am put it first. So I put this tensioner in here. Here you go. Tied it 80 Newton. You see the tension Newton? You see. And next, this one is the top is I think so. You see the top tensioner is 25 Newton. I will tell you this one 25 Newton. You see this one, and the other one is 24. Top 25 Newton. One also 24 Newton, and the same balls. I tied this 20 Newton. The cam bolt. So this one next. And 180 20 Newton plus 180 degree. I will do it this one. So I will tie it 180 degree. This one. This I tied it 180 degree. This one. The intake size and the exhaust side also the same. What I said. 180 degree go this way. This way the where is zero? I put it back the guide chain also in here to the end, you know, this 18mm tied it. This one for tensioner guiders, this one the chase, sorry. Removing with the tools, the locking tools from the camera. You see this one is flash, everything is perfect. Look out, make sure. Look at this loop also is facing this way, the other one is facing this way. So the writing you see in here is upward. Tools, I have to remove it. We 10 mil remove this one, the special tools. Look what I will show you the right way. Look at this one. Exhaust side, look, the intake side. This is the lock. It go there in there. You see this one? See this tools? Go. Yeah, it will go this way. You see everything is flush. Yeah, everything is good. I will check it underneath also the crank. The crank, sorry, not crank. And sure if I did a correct way. Up is good. And you see the cam is the crank, sorry, it is locked. You see everything is perfect. It should be all the back the cover. And I will start it. The engine I will see. Everything is good now. I'm happy the result. You put it back the gasket. Put it back the return back this friction water pump. You just hold this one and you see this small must be out like this one. Pull it out because unless it does not go in here properly. You see, if you return back this, it does not fit. You have to pull it this one inside to go inside. Insert this one. Okay, this bolt and this one, and the third one is here. Just tidy this one and return back this one where it should on the way. Yeah. Right. Yeah. The engine is running now, nice and smooth, no shake at all.